Hi, this is Monica from Unique Designs by Monica, and today we're going to be doing Best Dad Ever Tie. And since Father's Day is around the corner, what better, way to show how much you love your dad by making him something as simple as a T-shirt with Best Dad Ever. I'm going to show you a quick picture of what I'm trying to say. Let me bring that up here. Copy, paste, and bring it on over. Now that's kind of cute. So this is simple for your kids to do. You put the vinyl on and they did a quick, heat press on it. So this would be a great little gift to give to your husband or your dad, the dad in your life. And the font that we'll be using today, let's see, I believe it's called Happy New Year. Yep, Happy New Year. Now, I believe I got this on 101 fonts or the font. But if not, and I can't find it, I will definitely try to find the closest to what this is in the link below. Okay, so let's get started. Let's move this over here. And as you can see, it's just a bunch of basic shapes. And what we're going to use today is this particular tool. We haven't used this yet. It's called the polygon tool. And all we're going to do, which I didn't click on it, we're going to start creating points. So we're just going to click one point, drag. And this can be as long or short as you want it. I want it to be around there, that long. And then I'm going to make myself a little diamond shape. Go right back up and over. Now you can fiddle with this as much as you want. If it's not perfectly straight, as you can see, it's definitely not. I'm going to see if I can make this work to my advantage. I don't like how this is a long. I'm just bringing it up a little bit, and I want to just bring this down just like that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right. The next tool that I'm going to use is this polygon tool, and it's pretty much what it is. It's a five-sided, shape to start with. And I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to convert the path. And I'm going to get a slightly darker purple. There we go. And you're thinking, is that it? Yep, that's it. That's all it is. You just bring it up a little. Just like that and make it look like a tie. And then all I'm going to do is grab my font, this little A over here, my little text. And I'm just going to start typing, and then I'm going to find the font that I want. And the one that I want to say, what I wanted to say is best, capital, best dad ever. And with that, I'm going to go over here. It's not telling me what this is, but I'm going to have everything centered. And I want all of my text to be black. You know what? Since it's so dark, I'm going to go white. And I'm going to remove all of the line. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. Then I'm going to go over to this little A over here. This says text style panel. And just so I can beat, instead of scrolling all 1,000 and some fonts that I have, I already know what it's called. It's called Happy New Year. There it is. Happy New Year. I'm going to take all of these. I really don't like the lines, so I'm just going to remove it. And in order to use it, when you cut it, you are going to have to ungroup and group it together. That's it. That's all. That's the whole thing. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Images, as simple as they are, they don't have to be extravagant. Sure, some do, some don't, but for simple things like this, it really doesn't. I'm sure your dad would appreciate anything you give him. It doesn't have to be grand, but as long as you give it a little bit of thought, it's probably the best. Thank you very much. You guys have a beautiful day. Bye now.